Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the classification of indicators, mortality indicators, morbidity indicators, disability rates, and nutritional indicator, healthcare delivery indicators, utilization rates. Classification is also there are the indicators of social and mental health, environmental indicators, socio-economic indicators, health policy indicators, indicators of health, of quality of life, and other indicators. Next is the mortality indicators. First, crude death rate is considered a fair indicator of the comparative health of the peoples. It is defined as the number of deaths per 1000 populations per year in a given community, usually the mid-year population. The usefulness is restricted because it is influenced by the age-sex compositions of the population, socio-economic and socio-cultural environment of the communities. CDR India 7 death 1000 population, CRS 2014 Haryana 6.3 death per 1000 population. Mortality indicators expectation of life is the average number of years that will be lived by those born alive into a population if the current age specific mortality rates persist. It is the statistical abstractions based on existing age specific death rates estimated for the sexes separately. Good indicator of socioeconomic development life expectancy at birth male is the 64 years WHO Global Health Observatory 2012 and female at 68 years. Next is the mortality indicators. Infant mortality rate. The ratio of death under 1 year of age in given year to the total number of live births in the same year usually expressed as a rate per 1000 live births. Indicator of health status of not only infant but also whole population and socio-economical conditions. Sensitive indicators of availability, utilization and effectiveness of health care, particularly the perinatal and the postnatal care. Current IMR India is the 40 per 1000 live birth, SRS at the 2014, Haryana 41 on the 1000 live birth. Under 5 mortality rate defined as the number of deaths occurring in the under 5 age group per 1000 live birth reflect both infant and child mortality. Current rate is 53 on the 1000 live birth, World Bank 2013. And child mortality rate, the number of deaths at age 1 to 4 years in a given year per 1000 children in that age group at the midpoint of the year, correlate with the inadequate MCH services, malnutrition, low immunization coverage and environmental factors. Current rate is the 18 to 1000, 18 on the 1000. Other indicators are the perinatal mortality rate, neonatal mortality rate and the stillbirth rate, etc. Correlate with the inadequate internal antenatal care and the perinatal, etc. That is the graph for the NFHS India 2005 to 6 and figures per 1000 live birth. There are the neonatal mortality that is 37 to 41 and the postnatal mortality is 21 to 15 and infant mortality is for the female is the 58 and male for the 56 and child mortality female for the 23 and male for 14. Under 5 mortality there are the female for 79 and male for the 70. So in today's class I discuss about the mortality indicator and the also their classification. Thank you for watching.